Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing an Assassin's Creed video. So right now I have the guards after me, so I need to get out of here. I think they're after me. Come over here. Are they? No. Okay. So I'm going to my map. Oh, and I already started this earlier. I need to go over to where do I need to go? Oh, I need to go on this, and then to this, and that. Kill these guys. I just like putting them in the water. Ha! I forgot where I need to go. A friend showed me and then I turned it off. Oh my gosh. Go to this one. There we go. Ba, 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 da, da. What the heck? Oh, he's trying to throw something at me. What are you throwing at me? In the water you go. Woo! Oh, I'm on a boat. What's in here? Arr. I'm a pirate. I'm on a pirate ship. See? I'm a pirate. Boom. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna jump onto the ropes there. There. No. Okay, there we go. Go up there. Then I'm gonna jump off into the ocean. Don't know why. Okay, get up. This way or this way? Or, actually, where's that boat that it came from earlier? We could go on a boat, if I can find it. Right, jump. Dang it. Okay. No, get down. I haven't got really far into it, because it's just my first day, but never know. I will be, eventually. You go way over here now. Yeah. Hello. Bye. That was mean of me. I'm not letting you up. Get off. Are you going? He's fishing with a pole, and it's not a fishing rod. Not this time. Off. 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 Come with me. Fight in here. Alright, whatever. You pick it. here. Now I need to go up again. Then we need to go find the boat. Boom. You wanna get off? You wanna go for a swim? Bye-bye. Okay, here. Who are you? Is this the guy I'm looking for? No, it isn't. Oops. I can climb up this wall, I hope. Nope. Okay, on here. Good go. Now. Okay, let's go find the boat. I don't know if it's the one, if it has the steering wheel. I know it's not pro. Beep, 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 beep. This guy took me somewhere and now I don't know where to go. Oh no. Okay. Hello. Oh. If you're young, don't be watching this. I don't want that. Okay, you're no good to me. I need guards. You're not a guard. Here you go. What did I do to you? Hey! Oh no! No, no, no. No. Run. Run. In here. Water. What are you doing? Oh, they're shooting me. Don't let that happen. Don't let them see me. Don't let them see me. They're coming in! Oh no. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 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 Go, 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 go. Boom, boom, boom. Ba, da, 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 da. Come here. Rescue me. SOS. Save our soul. What? No, I'm dying. Launch pirate ship. What? The controller is just shaking. Okay. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Till I come and kill you. You young kids shouldn't be watching this. But if you have nightmares, don't. But I'm sure you'll find a way. Even though you're not supposed to, because I just told you not to. Wait. I see something. Assassin's Creed. Here. Assassin's Creed Black Flag. Can't really see that. I don't know if you've seen that. It might have just been a dark case. But okay. That's gonna be it for today. So bye.